Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. In part 5 we learned two new chords, A and D. And in this video I'm going to demonstrate the 12-bar blues in D, which includes the chords D, G and A, and the 12-bar blues in A, which has the chords A, D and E. So first of all, the 12-bar in D with a very simple rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's the 12-bar blues in A, and this one uses our two new chords A and D, as well as D. So here we go again, with a slightly different rhythm pattern this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are the 12-bar blues in D and in A. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.